I just got this outside playground for my indoor cats. They've wanted out for a long time, but I've been too scared that they'd get hit. And I think they like it. You can add stuff into the playpen itself. You could put a litter box in there, toys, or a little bed. And I just chose to put something that might make them a little more comfortable in it their first time in it. It is all mesh, super easy to clean. They love going through the tunnel there. You can see Charlie just came out of the tunnel, and it is really easy to put together. It has a zipper on the top here. That's how you let them in. And there's zippers to attach the tunnel to the playpen itself. It's really bright, it's easy to clean, and they really appear to like it. And I think they're really going to love it.